It's time, guys. It is the day. Swimsuit competition and cultural show every third Sunday. It has arrived. Excited? Oh yeah, she is. I can tell on her face already. This is our second one that we were filmed at, or we're filming at. We're looking forward to it. So let's get in here and check this out. Hey guys! Here they are. Here they are. How you doing today?
Good, good.
How's your Facebook going? You're doing good. Here's Joey. Hey Joey, how you doing?
Good, good, Chubbs.
Good to see you. You ready for this again?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Big money maker for Scorebirds, isn't it? Probably a big headache to you, but no, it's a good show, you guys. It's a really good show, so we're gonna get in here and get it started.
I'll give a shout out to Mr. Michael Magliari.
Yep. Yeah. Cool.
Big shout out to him. Yeah.
Where's he live, or where's he from?
He's from Hawaii.
Okay, that's the same
Michael Blake Magliari.
one. Okay. Well, there you go, sir. We're bringing this straight to you in your living room today.
We don't need no reason why.
Yeah. Here, I got it, Phil. Hey, say hi. Are you happy to be here?
I'm getting 500 pesos for the buffet.
Yes.
It's some of the best food in the city.
And then you get free entertainment. It is really good food, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Some of the best food I've had here.
Oh my God.
We're going to the dollhouse today.
Yeah, see, there you go.
Gonna make you feel so fine when you hear my bass line. My bass line, my bass line. Gonna make you mine when you hear my bass line. My bass line, my bass line. My bass line, my bass line. My bass line, my bass line. So fine when you hear my bass line. My bass line, my bass line. Gonna make you mine when you hear my bass line.
Two, 26 and 33. From the Golden Silver, winning home number 643, representing Copenhagen. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for number 2, 21 years of age. For 11 point, and she measures 32, 24 and 33. From the city of Guadalajara, winning home number D443, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Miss Charlotte Hagonoy. Contestant number 3, 25 years of age. She stands 5'2" in height and she measures 32, 23 and 33. All the way from the wonderful province of Samar. Winning home number 528, representing Copenhagen. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Mary Rose de Pancho. And contestant number 4, 18 years of age. She stands 5'1" high and she has a vital statistics of 32, 24, and 33. She hails from the capital city of the Philippines, Metro Manila, with a code number D418, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Miss Hope Villabor.
Good smile. Chipper personality.
Contestant number 5, 28 years of age. 5'9", and she measures 31, 23, and 32. From the entire capital of the Philippines, Pampanga, with the club number 668, representing Copenhagen. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Jessa Carrion.
Month's winner, everybody.
Coming up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 6, 26 years of age, 5'2" high, and she measures 32, 26, and 36. She hails from the tropical island of Lincoln, with a code number D409, representing Tollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Amari Barreto.
Going in for the bead toss.
Coming up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 7, 25 years of age, 5'2" high, and she measures 32, 23, and 34. Also from the entire capital of the Philippines, Pampanga, with a code number 495, representing Copenhagen. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Miss Princess Aina Saviano. Moving on to our second to last, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 8, 22 years of age. She stands 5'4" high, and she has a vital statistics of 32, 25, and 33. She hails from the city of Angels, Angeles City, with a code number D158, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Chomika Vega. Last but definitely not the least, contestant number 9, 27 years of age. She stands at 5'7" high, and she measures 34, 24, and 33. Also from the capital city of the Philippines, Metro Manila, with a code number 132, representing Copenhagen. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Miss Leia Sika.
What house that?
For 2? The whole lot?
Yeah.
No, for this. This is 1,000?
No, 100.
Oh, so that's all 1,000.
1,000.
Okay. And how much are the big gold ones?
5,000.
5,000. Woo! Solid gold.
And you can knock them out if you want.
Yeah. Winners!
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Spain's time. You're watching the search for Mrs. Cooper's Hotel. Of course, right here, Miss Cooper's Hotel. Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh my gosh, looks wonderful. It is wonderful. We had this last time, you guys. Everything was phenomenal. Everything was phenomenal. I don't want to get in anybody's way. But gosh. Baked lemon pepper chicken, crispy fish and chili garlic sauce, beef and mushroom skillet, stir-fried pork, ginger, soy garlic tofu, chicken chow mein, steamed rice, chicken cabbage soup, root vegetable soup. How wonderful is that? It's worth 500 pesos every time. Thank you, girls.
2 latest ranks, the first floor. What about you, sir? 3 latest ranks on my right side, first floor. 3 latest ranks. Are we going 4 or 5? 5 latest ranks, front row. 5 latest ranks. Do we have 6 or 7? Hands up. 6 latest ranks on my right side. 6 latest ranks for Miss Hope. 7 latest ranks front row. 7 latest ranks for Miss Hope, first floor front row. Anybody else? Do we have 8 or 9 or any number higher than 7? 7 latest ranks for Miss Hope. Going once. 8 latest ranks, first floor front row. 8 latest ranks. 8 latest ranks, first floor front row. Anyone else? 8 latest ranks, going once. Going twice. 8 latest ranks, first floor front row. Second floor front row. Chamico Vega from Domino's. Ladies and gentlemen, the long-legged video from Miss Chamico is now available for baby spring. Her name is Chamico. Ladies and gentlemen.
I'll be serving you tonight. What can I get you guys? And you're a waiter. And you're a waiter. No, look at how wonderful this looks.
Nice spread, nice baby spread.
This is worth 500 pesos.
For sure.
Yes.
It's so good.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not hungry, bro.
Yeah, I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna have to get my ticket as well. Oh my god, new mashed potatoes. Thank you.
It's the Christmas party tomorrow at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. No, 3 p.m. Are we invited? Let's go.
Paid for 8 ladies drinks. I'm not. What kind of vlog was looking at you? She gave you the filthy, mate. I think you're in the bad books here with her. She gave you the stinky look, you know, like. I'm cheating around.
Ladies and gentlemen, final living your final beads. If you do have your favorite contestant, help them out to make it to the top 5 finalists. To be announced later on this afternoon, all you have to do is buy some beads from one of the lovely ladies wearing red shirt. Roaming around, it only costs 100 pesos for the 6 ranks of beads and 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. Golden beads is equivalent to 300 strands of beads. Our contestant number 2, Charlotte McGoy from Domino's.
crazy. Look at the hall. Look at the hall.
That's over Page, Silver contestant number 3, Mary Hosted Pancho from Memphis.
Number 3.
Our contestant number 4 is Hope Victor from the Dollhouse. Jessa Carrion from Memphis.
Yeah, that's your girl?
Number 6.
Let's see what 6 gets. Oh, there's no more beats left. Very beautiful.
All right, thank you so much, Miss Annie Piper from the Dollhouse. Yes, number 8, Silver contestant number 7 from Memphis.
No, not this time.
Yellow.
Looks like number 2, everybody. Number 2, they're cleaned house.
Chavito from the Dollhouse.
In the tall one.
Contestant number 9, Dana Sika from Memphis. All right, thank you so much, Dana Sika. And more beats, Courtney. All guests, contestants of the search for Mrs. Roberts' Swimsuit Competition. One big round of applause once again for the all guest contestants of the search for Mrs.
All right, guys, that's it. We're gonna get out of here. We'll try to find out and put in the video who won. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you. The party has begun, everybody.
Hey, she asked me about the shout out. I forgot her name.
You just said Dean? Oh, thank you, thank you. All right, guys. Adios. Thank you. Thank you again. Great show as always. Woo-hoo-hoo. Shut it down. See you, Brian. It's shout out time.
It's too loud. Oh yeah, I think we have a break now.
I think we have a break. Let's do it. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, say hello again.
Hello, hello.
How long are you here? Just today?
Yeah.
All right. You guys all know Keith Mackey. Down in Subic for a little bit, but now it is Adrian time.
All right, shout out to Raider from Northern Cali. Shout out to Steve Brash Grant from UK. Shout out to Ted Tucker from New York. Shout out to Keith Mackey from North Carolina. Shout out to Ram from Melbourne, Australia. Shout out to Mike from Port Moresby, Papua New Guinea. Shout out to Ben from Seattle, Washington State. Shout out to Richard from UK. Shout out to Steve Brash Grant from UK. Shout out to Mike Pudi from Canada. Shout out to Ernie from Belleville, Illinois. Shout out to Robert and Jonah McLeod from Antioch, California. Shout out to Andre from Micos Bar, Angeles City, Philippines. Shout out to Matt Allen from Indiana. Shout out to Nick and Glenn from Hawaii. Shout out to Nate from Washington State. Shout out to Louis from Kuwait. Shout out to Bill from St. Lucie, Australia. Shout out to Michael Scrader from Georgia. Shout out to John Allen from Rhode Island. Shout out to Steve Ronald from Hawaii. Shout out to Gregory McFry from Las Vegas, Nevada. Shout out to Mark and Roger from Las Vegas, Nevada. Shout out to Nathaniel Borger from Washington, D.C. Shout out to DJ and Justin from Austin, Texas. Shout out to Shane and Bernadette Lawson from Antipolo, Philippines. Shout out to Edgar and Jenny Cruz from Virginia Beach. Shout out to Sergeant Aldo from Morella Bowling Club. Shout out to Kevin and Loris from Canada. Shout out to Champ from Temple, Texas. Shout out to Stephen Peterson from Minnesota. Shout out to Paul and Garrett from Sydney, Australia. Shout out to Dave from Massachusetts. Shout out to Jeff and Joe from Bermondsey, London. Shout out to Shane from Las Piñas, Metro Manila, Philippines. Shout out to Chris Day from Epsom, Angeles City, Philippines. Shout out to Lord's Diary Adventures in the Philippines. Shout out to Billy in the Philippines. Shout out to Chab Dab Z. Shout out to CJ Abroad. Shout out to Focus in Asia. Shout out to our Philippine Johnny.
Go ahead.
Shout out to Adrian Shout out Time. Shout out to Heidi and Mary Hinola from Minnesota. Shout out to Joe Cruz from San Fernando, Pampanga, Philippines. Shout out to Sam from Melbourne, London. Shout out to Steve. Shout out to Cowboy from Wyoming. Shout out to Joey from Scorpio Hotel, Angeles City, Philippines. Thank you for watching, sports fans.
Holy shit! I think you got everybody in on that one, you guys. That was everybody. So, thank you for viewing. Hit the like button, comment if you would, subscribe if you have not. We're gonna try to get here to this contest every single month.
Check, check, hey.